Hi Shimmy Shaker, welcome to the first day of our 30-day dancing challenge. I'm so happy to have you here. As we count down for the end of the year, we have 30 combinations building to a beautiful choreography. So at the end of this 30 days, you are going to challenge yourself, but also you are going to learn a beautiful routine. So today we've got a beautiful combination that starts off with a little bit of leg work. If you're doing this one in a skirt, it's nice to have a flowy skirt, but make sure you're wearing your little shorts underneath, because otherwise you might be showing your audience a little bit more than they want to see. This combination, we're starting off facing the front. We bring our leg up, so the knee up, over to the side, then out and over to the side. So as you're coming through, you'll bring that leg over, crossing through. You can face this way or you can face this way, whichever feels more comfortable for you. Then you're picking up to the middle of your skirt, keeping your leg straight and doing a little pivot. On our supporting leg, all we're doing is a little turn. So it's not bringing the leg all the way around. It's from here, keeping the leg in front, little turn on that supporting leg. So to do the turn, it's just like our pivot turn, where you go one way, you can go the other way, whichever way you like, and you're just shifting that heel around. So we're starting with this leg, bringing our arms up, bring that leg out and turn. Good. Let's try it the other side. We bring our leg up, out and turn. Other side, up, out and turn. One more, up, out and turn. Okay, so to land this step, all we're doing is bringing that leg that comes around behind. So watch my feet. From here, over and behind. Good, let's try it the other side. Up, over and behind. Good job. So adding on to this combination, we have two beautiful undulations. So if you haven't done your undulations before, we just bring our chest forward, our stomach forward, our hips forward and release. So it's chest, stomach, hips, release, and when you're ready, smooth it out. Really nice belly dancing move. Let's bring it together. Starting from the front, leg up, over and down, undulate and undulate. Other side, over and down, undulate and undulate. Other way, over and down, undulate and undulate. Other way, over and down, undulate and undulate. Good job. Okay, so look out for tomorrow. We are going to learn the next step, and once we've learned a few of the combinations, we're going to bring them together with our music. Have an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow.